Check out these rustic wooden pumpkin tags I found on sale for, get this, 33 cents each. I knew exactly what I was going to do with them. First, I popped off the metal pumpkins, and I did find someone to gift them to. Then I pried off the spacers and used a Dremel to sand off the glue residue. For the first one, I used a red paint, then a black wash over it to give it a darker, more cabin-like look. For the second one, I used a green paint and did the same black wash. The last one was painted in blue, and I used the black wash on it also. After they were completely dry, I took a Dremel and sanded the edges to give them a worn look. With the red one, I wanted to paint a moose on it. I used a pencil to draw it out, and it was difficult to see on the video, so I didn't include that, but I did show the painting of it because you can see the black painting going on. For the other two, I used chalk so you can see it in the video. The green one, I painted the word nature in white and then highlighted it in black. The blue one, I did a trio of trees in black, white, and gray tones. To finish them, I waited until they were completely dry and sanded them with a piece of sandpaper. These are they can be found in my Rustic mercantile shop. You can click the link in the video description below. This is the only set that I have of these, but I'll have all sorts of other ideas, so I'm hoping to find more. Be sure to keep an eye out for them in the future. Also, be sure to like this video for more videos like this, as well as subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. I'll see you soon.